Honor has just unveiled its new flagship Ultimate Edition. We are talking about the Honor Magic 6 RSR. Although curiously, we are talking about two names for the same device. So it's the same Honor Magic 6 RSR and Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. This device is obviously based on the Honor Magic 6 Pro, but in this case we are talking about a special edition with a much bolder and very aggressive design. That design is the result of the collaboration with Porsche Design. So it has much more aggressive lines with a camera module with a hexagonal figure, and also comes with a color called Frozen Berry that was used in the Porsche Taycan in its electric edition. Another difference will be that the camera sensor, despite still being 50 megapixels, is another model that is supposed to have a better autofocus and also a better dynamic range. But the biggest improvement will be the display. Despite not having completely superior specifications to what we have seen today, the truth of the case is that by having a dual-layer design, Honor promises tremendous durability in terms of lifespan. That is, it will lose only 1% of brightness after its first 3 years of use. This, according to Honor's figures, is 600% more than traditional displays. So it would definitely be a spectacular display that would not suffer from much degradation. We're talking about a full HD Plus OLED panel with 5000 nits at its highest peak brightness when viewing HDR content. It also comes protected with Nano Crystal Shield, which is this protection that Honor is using on the screens of its devices recently. The Ultimate model has a slightly different camera module in terms of design compared to the Porsche model, but basically the only difference between these models is the aesthetics. In all other features, they are exactly the same. These models have been announced in China, where their launch price has been 9,999 yuan. That is approximately $1,390. So we are in front of a device that, if you see it expensive in China, if it comes out globally, the price could easily double.